Well, this is my old wheel. It's got a dent in it. So I won't be using this wheel, right? But I'm going to clean the tire, even though the tire is kind of damaged. It's got a rub mark on it. I'm going to try to reuse this tire. I don't know how long I'll be able to use the tire for, because it does have quite a substantial rub on it. So I might not be able to use that for the safety. I don't know. But I'm going to clean this tire anyways, nonetheless, because I'm going to use it in the meantime. I've got some Easy Off. It's probably about 30 years old, this can. I've been using it for a long time. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use a rag. Whoops. Which I use just some old socks and a piece of a t-shirt. But this Easy Off really works well. It really works well. The Easy Off works very well. I don't know if you know that or not, guys. But it works very well with just a little bit of water. It works quite well. I use actually too a SOS scouring pad. This soap is extremely good for tires too. Works very well. But this should work quite well. I really just want to use the tire, so I'm going to clean just the tire anyway. That's about it. Don't really care to clean the wheel. So that's just a quick one. Missed a couple spots. Works pretty quick though. I want to make sure that I don't get all this stuff inside of the wheel here, inside of this tire. Works pretty good. I don't know how clean my rags aren't very clean actually, so not that clean. Probably should use a clean rag. Would be better. Really all I'm trying to do is just quickly clean this. And it does look better already. It looks quite better, quite much. Quite a lot better. It looks much better. Maybe I should use clean dirty socks, or clean socks that I'm throwing away back. Don't know. That's pretty good though. Whoops, the tire's kind of rolling out of the seam though, right? Looks pretty good though. That's the thing, these the white walls seem to clean up pretty well. But I mean, it's an old tire. It's a pretty old tire though, but I mean, the bike is, I don't know when this tire was changed. Actually, probably it's only 4 years old, to be honest with you. I thought it was 7 years ago, but I think I bought this bike. I don't know, I can't remember when I bought this bike, but I think it's been sitting for 3 or 4 years. Maybe longer, but might be, I think, 3 or 4 years. I can't remember now quite. I think it was 2020 or 2021 maybe even. So it might have been even 3 years. So 7 years, I might be wrong. But I'm telling you, it's been parked for way too long. Feels like 15 years. Like it feels like too long. This bike was nice. Just to cruise on. I had a couple of my CBR 600 and my CBR 250, but that's nothing compared to this thing. This is a real bike. That's like riding the CBR 600 wasn't so bad, but the CBR 250, it's like driving a scooter. There's really not much to it, right? But like I say, this is probably 30, 40-year-old easy off anyways too, because this is all I've ever used it for, is cleaning the chrome. It's empty now. I thought I better use the last little bit of it. Yeah, it's empty now. So there you go, you saw it on one side, not on this side. No big difference, eh? See, big difference. That easy off really works. Oven cleaner really works. Really works well. That's a problem. I should have sprayed both sides before I got too carried away. You see how well the oven cleaner works compared to muscle? See, that oven cleaner is actually quite the good tire cleaner. I don't know how many people know that. Might have to get something else to clean. I might have to get something else to clean this with. This is the right-hand side, so a lot of people standing on the sidewalk see this side. This is the right-hand side. This is the side with the pipes, so it's got to have a nice sidewall because everybody gawks at you from the sidewalk, right? Sidewalk side with the pipes. These are the same tires as the Harley has the Dunlop Cruiser Max tire too. This is what the Harley Davidson have a brand name on too. My back tire is the Harley Davidson branded one. Because my Honda dealership that I bought my tires from, my Yamaha, they have a lot of Harley tires too, because a lot of the Harley guys come to the Honda dealership to get tires for their Harleys. So I don't even know if we have a Yamaha dealership in Regina any longer at all. So I don't think we have a Yamaha dealership, but we've got a Harley dealership, but it's out of town really. It's not really right inside the city any longer. The old Harley dealership was way different than the new one. The old one was a real old school place. It was a biker hangout. It was a place where you could go and be a person. Yeah, the new Harley shop is not. The new owners are a little bit different than their new school, right? They're new Harley people. They've got Harleys, and all the guys that buy the bikes got jackets and stuff. They've all got Harleys, so, and they think they're Harley riders. I'll tell you, I've passed a lot of those dudes. Any Harley dudes that think that I'm gonna drive behind them, they gotta be kidding themselves. I'll blow you right off the road. It's a good reason to have crash bars. Ignorant Harley people just go up and just smash them off the road. That's the reason I bought my crash bars. Bad attitudes from Harley drivers. Well, that turned out not so bad. Looks a lot better. I'm going to take this off the wheel. And take it off the wheel though. It won't look good until I get more. It won't look good until I get more oven cleaner. Clean the wheel a little, clean the tire a little bit, the sidewalls a little better. Thanks for watching, guys. Clean my tire. This is the front tire. It's got a big dent in the wheel. It's not really that good. Can't really drive with it very well like that. I have ridden with it like that, but it's kind of a drag.